This is my new suitcase. It's lightweight, hard side, 75 centimeters high, and it cost 470 euros. Can I still call myself a minimalist after this purchase? I think so. Here's why. How I understand minimalism is that it's a way to eliminate excess and distractions to create space for what's truly important. Now for some, that may be living with as few possessions as possible. Others may still own a good number of things after decluttering their living space, but their relationship to those things has changed. They are more intentional about what they surround themselves with. I fit more into the second category. Recently, I came across an extreme minimalist who owns no furniture and sleeps in a hammock. I was intrigued, but at the same time, that's just not where I'm at today, and I'm not sure I ever will be. I embraced minimalism early this year, and for me it was already a big step to discard a lot of things that don't spark joy. There's no one-size-fits-all model when it comes to minimalism. For example, if you live together with a non-minimalist or have kids, even practicing any type of minimalism can be a challenge, and extreme minimalism is out of the question. Let's get back to the suitcase. Why I'm okay with this purchase as a minimalist is that I was very intentional about it. Normally, I prefer to travel light, with just carry-on luggage. However, my girlfriend lives in another country, so I'm in a bit of a unique situation. When I travel to see her, I tend to be there for quite a while, easily 1 to 2 months. So packing is a challenge, especially around the change of seasons. For the next trip, I also need to bring a suit to attend a wedding. And on top of that, my low-quality carry-on suitcase feels like it's gonna fall apart any day now, and one of the zippers broke. I would also like to bring some basic video gear with me so I can continue making these videos. And finally, when I buy something these days, I go for quality. That may cost a bit more, but I found that being cheap often backfires. The way I see it, a carpenter needs a good hammer to do his best work. He doesn't need 5, but if that one hammer is top-notch, he's going to feel good about this decision every single day. I think that's the key thing here. I don't buy many new things, but when I do so with intention. My specific circumstances make me go for a suitcase with extra space. I also expect it to be durable and last for a very long time. To me, that justifies paying a premium. I am no minimalist expert by any means. I'm still learning and figuring things out. So I'm curious what you think. Can minimalists still buy expensive or even luxury items? Let me know by leaving a comment below. And if you want to follow along on my minimalist journey, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon.